Bluey Duck Cake made easy for kids at home.
Oh, yeah, it's so bumpy.
Welcome to the Bluey and Lucas Kids Show, where you'll find your educational videos for kids. I'm Bluey, and Lucas is...
It's Bingo! I want to be Scooby-Doo, and Mom is going to be Dennis.
I'm Dennis, you're...
Scooby-Doo.
And she's Sharalanda. As you can tell, Lucas and I are big Bluey fans, and today we're gonna teach you how to make the Bluey Duck Cake at home.
Yeah!
We're gonna follow the easy recipe that's on the Bluey website. We've included a link in the description below. First, we're gonna use this duck mold to make the shape of the duck. Then, we're gonna use 2 packets of butter cake mix, some potato crisps, some cheese flavored popcorn, some smileys and licorice, and a red ribbon for the bow, and some apricot coloring, but we couldn't find apricot, so we decided to use peach. We've made the cake mix according to the directions on the packet, and we've made our own frosty icing. Now we're gonna get the duck mold and pour the cake mix in. Let's get it out. A ducky.
Ducky! The instructions!
We go here,
The instructions!
open it. We've greased one side of the duck mold, and now we're gonna put the cake mix into the duck mold. Lucas, can you hold the tray for me?
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. It's so bumpy.
I know, it makes it look so satisfying.
Yeah.
Good job. So now that we have filled one half of the duck with cake mixture, we're gonna put the lid on. Let's grab it. Do you want me to do it, Lucky?
Yeah.
We'll turn it around. Do you need help?
No.
Good job.
Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, let's just check it's secure. Okay. Can you open the oven for me?
Now it's gonna get all cooked. Beep, 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 beep.
Now we're gonna make the peach colored frosting. We're gonna put a few drops to tint the frosting. Okay, you're gonna do the honors. Do you need help?
No.
Oh, you got a little bit out.
Yeah.
Are you sure you don't need help?
Sure.
Okay, above the plate. It's coming out.
Whoa.
Let's.
Oh, we need double the muscle. It's so cool.
It smells amazing. Do you want to eat it later?
Yeah.
Safety is first.
Whoa.
Let's smell.
It smells like pancakes.
It's like pancakes.
Done.
Now we're gonna take the other lid off.
It doesn't even look hard.
Perfecto.
Perfecto.
It smells amazing. Okay. Our cake has come out uneven because we forgot to secure the tin with pins. Make sure you don't make the same mistake at home. We've now finished icing the cake, and now it's time to put the eyes on using Smarties. Okay, now let's put the licorice. So we need to make it.
I was gonna make him handsome.
Now let's do the buttons.
Don't mean nothing handsome. It's handsome.
Here and here. Now we're going to decorate the head with popcorn. And Bob's your uncle. We've made the Bluey Duck Cake. It's time for us to eat our cake and watch some Bluey episodes. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more educated videos for kids. See you next time.